Today we're going to be making fresh forest beef pizza. That's how you make a pizza.
And I'll see you guys in the next one.